Today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Studio Lite. Let's get into it. So, the workspace is where you keep all your main stuff. Base plate, for example, spawn location, you get the idea. For example, maybe a house is your main priority. I don't know. So we can scale this. Copy, paste into. Copy, paste into. Let me move that. Okay. And then you just make another part. There's the rotate button. You rotate it. Okay. Now you scale it. Hold on, okay, scale it. Oh no, I'm not the best on mobile. Okay. Copy, paste into. Let me move it. And boom. We have our box, but we're missing something. We need the wedge. Okay. So now we put this down here. Over here. And we scale it. Like this. I'm sorry, I'm not the best at making these. Copy, paste into, move. I'm so sorry, guys. It must be pain for you guys to watch. I'm a teacher, not. No. Yeah, sorry. Now we go like this. Perfect. We made a wonky house. Okay, but this is just to show the basics. So, we also have this thing called a script. So what you can do is select a part. I'm just going to do this for example. Add a script. Yeah, you can also say stuff. You can say I don't know. You can say whatever you want. You guys have to get used to scripting. Though, yeah. But I'm sure that's not going to be a big deal for you guys since, well, we have AI now. So you can just AI code. I'm not recommending it, okay? But if you know the script, that's great. Okay. They also have this thing called Toolbox. So when you go into it, you'll see a bunch of things. You can also add an asset ID. Yeah, it's wonderful. I'll get one. Hold on. Okay, I just got one, so let's see if it works. Oh, it didn't work. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't really know how to yeah, but you can get asset IDs and it'll insert it into the game, which is actually pretty cool. So what you can also do, there's these things. Starter GUI is a really helpful one. So first what you do is you need to add a screen GUI. Then you need to add a frame. See, look, now it's a GUI. Well, I don't know how, but basically it's just the things on your screen that you click and it does something for you. You know what I mean. And then text label. And for example, Wait, no, that's not what you do. Hold on. Now you can make the text say like shop, for example. Now it says shop, but if you want to make this function, you have to script, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's what you do for this. Okay. Screen UI, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing. You guys are learning a lot for this. Okay, so we're just gonna delete that because we don't need it right now. There's also starter pack. If you don't know, basically, it's just a tool. So like, let's say this we want. Hold on. By the way, this is a playtest button. This is my avatar. Yeah. I don't have Robux, okay? But yeah, this is the playtest button. Spawn location. Yay, it's a game. Okay, stop. Wait, just click. Yeah, but now we can add. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Hold on, we need to delete this. Before you enter that, you need to add a tool. Yeah, this is a tool, okay? Now we add a part. And now you have a part in your game when you do this. Yeah, so that's a tool. It's pretty cool, I guess. Oh, click. Oh, whoa, it's a tool. Okay, so we got that done. Obviously, I'm a studio Lite teacher. My name's right there. Yeah. Okay, starter player. This is like, the player, like, character scripts is like, I'm pretty sure it's like changes your avatar and stuff. It changes like what the player can do, you know? Server script service is just like, does something for a script that does something for the server. And yeah, it's pretty cool. But I hope you know that I'm pretty sure there's an animation tool, right? You can animate. So, but rig builder, you can enter anyone's. Like we can use let's just use me for example. All right, we have me in him. Yeah, you see it? That's me. Okay, so we can go like we can go what can we do with this? Oh yeah. Okay, so now I can animate it. Select the rig. And yeah, it has everything. Now we can animate, so I guess we can do this. Head. Now we can rotate it. Hold it. Rotate it again. Rotate it again. And again. And maybe even again. And then we can turn it back. Yeah, look how cool that is. You can animate. This is a really cool game, I'll admit. Yeah, okay, I don't care. Yeah, bye-bye. Boom. Yeah, that's basically Studio Lite. Oh, by the way, these are the if you don't like my tutorials, that's fine. They have tutorials right here, but I'll show you guys scripts and stuff. It'll be pretty cool. Yeah, this is the first video of the channel. I hope to post more on this. Comment if this helped you, if you're new to Studio Lite. Yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe for better videos. And Studio Lite Teacher out. Peace.